So here's episode 2 of our furniture flipping journey. I'm gonna spend a couple hours on Facebook Marketplace, Offerup, and all the Craigslist and all the other websites to see what we can find. So guys, after like an hour of listening to lofi beats and looking on Facebook Marketplace and Offerup, we ended up finding a deal for 20. I messaged the lady and it looks like I'm gonna pick it up later today after karate, because I do have to go do that first and then study a little bit and then go get it. So I'll put it up on the screen right now if we do end up getting it. Alright guys, so yesterday I ended up finding a good deal, and then my girlfriend and I, my wonderful helper, love you, babe, she helped me pick it up. And another good thing, I got a tripod, so hopefully video quality and angles are gonna be a little bit better, because last time I was holding up my phone with like a random paint. But you also gotta start somewhere, so you know, I'm filming on my phone. I got a phone tripod, so I'll show you guys the furniture, the piece of furniture now. So this is a piece of furniture that I got it for 20 bucks. I am gonna use the same paint color that I got last time, because I just want to keep my cost low since I'm just starting. So yeah, this is a piece. Get it before and we're gonna get it after. All right, see you guys. So the next step is to sand. So we're gonna start taking out all the drawers and everything and begin the sanding process. Guys, for the most part, I finished sanding the big part. I didn't sand this part because I'm thinking of keeping it with the white to go around. But we'll see. If not, I'll sand it down and just paint it. I'll see how it looks though. But yeah, mostly everything's sanded. I took off most of the hardware right here. I don't know, I might paint them, but some of them kind of look a little too cracked. Like I think this one was a bigger crack. One of them has a big crack. This one has a bigger crack, so I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I might get some glue and try to cut it. It looks kind of cool cracked, but that's just me. But yep, we'll get to the next part. So hopefully, yeah, we'll get to the next part. Cool. Alright guys, quick update on the primer. The big part is not done. There's still a lot of spots, but I kind of like the white, how it's looking already with the brown trim and the white. There's a lot of spots I need to fix. I'm gonna go in with a tiny brush for smaller details. Hopefully I can keep this brownish thing going. I'm probably gonna have to sand. There's a little, this is this part I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to sand it a little bit, but this is how it's going. Alright guys, here's an update. I wanted to keep this brown piece, but I actually went too much, so you live and you learn. And this part I went too fast. I tried taking it out with the napkin, but I'm still noob, so I don't know, because I wanted it to look like this. It would have looked really nice. I could probably still save this brown piece and keep that, like, not painted. I feel like it looked nice on the piece, but I wanted the flowers to show, but I don't know how to clean that up. So here's to first mistake as a newbie: don't paint too fast and mark off areas. Get tape. That's the next piece is up. Guys, now we're gonna get to the fun part of things, which is painting. I did 2 coats already, so let's get to painting. Guys, as we wrap up here, finished painting the whole thing. There are some imperfections I'm gonna admit, but for the most part everything looks good. It looks better than before, so that's what counts. And we'll catch you when we start staging and everything. Hey guys, so let's talk some numbers. So the actual piece of furniture was $20. And I didn't use any new materials. I had extra sandpaper from the first job, from the first project, and I used the same amount of paint. I still had to spray paint. So the only cost was the furniture, which was 20, and materials and everything else was 0. I have it, so, and hopefully we have our asking price for 200. The lowest I'll go for this one is 150. So guys, this wraps up the second video on my channel. Here's a dresser. You gotta add a little fun to life. Always, you know, bring out yourself, you know, to make yourself look unique. I think my one piece of advice is to, for this one, was to try to tape off more and make sure, because I really wanted to keep that one wood finish and make sure, like, have the design. I feel like that would have looked really nice with this. But if you can't, you know, you live and you learn and you keep pushing forward. So, you know, this is the final piece. Hope you guys enjoy my piece of advice today. You know, go out and try something new. Get out, get uncomfortable, because life gets very comfy sometimes. So get uncomfy and go push something. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.